Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching from. You're welcome to the online tutorials with Pharmaceutical, the school board. Today, we'll take a look at pharmaceutical calculations. We'll do one or two calculations in the topic, isotonic solutions. Isotonic solutions. Okay. So, our reference book for today is Pharmaceutical Calculations by Howard Ansel, the international edition. Okay, without wasting time, we'll go over to what we have today, isotonic solutions. I'll pick a question, then we'll solve. And take it off from there. Page 173, isotonic solution. Okay. All right. Okay. We'll pick a question from the practice problems. Page 189. Excuse me. Okay. The question says, an isotonic solution, this is pharmaceutical calculations. The question says, isotonic solution, isotonic sodium chloride solution contains 0.9% weight in volume sodium chloride. If the E value of boric acid is 0.52, calculate the percentage strength weight in volume of an isotonic solution of boric acid. Okay, let's solve this question. The question is simple. We need to understand something here. Let's go back to the question. It says isotonic sodium chloride solution contains 0.9% weight in volume sodium chloride. If the E value of boric acid is 0.52, calculate the percentage strength of an isotonic solution of boric acid. Now, 0.9% weight in volume means 0.9 gram of sodium chloride in 100 ml solution. Now, but the E value of sodium chloride is 0.52. What it means is that 1 gram of boric acid has the same tonicity with 0.52 gram of sodium chloride. So it means that 1 gram of boric acid is equivalent to 0.52 gram of what? Sodium chloride. So if 0.9 gram of sodium chloride in 100 ml solution is isotonic, if you want to know the amount of the strength of boric acid that will also be what? Isotonic. All we need to do is to check the amount of boric acid that will have the same tonicity as 0.9 gram of what? Sodium chloride. If we know, if you're able to calculate the amount of boric acid that will have the same tonicity with 0.9 gram of what? Sodium chloride. Now, that amount in 100 ml solution will be what? Isotonic. See what I mean? Excuse me. Okay, so let's look at it again. Let's take it off from there. You see, I say that 0.9 gram of sodium chloride is equivalent to what? 1 gram of boric acid, let me use BA to represent boric acid, is equivalent to 0.52 gram of what? Sodium chloride, equivalent boric acid. So if 1 gram of boric acid is equivalent to 0.52 gram of sodium chloride, what it means is that 0.9 gram of sodium chloride will be equivalent to X of boric acid. We don't know. So let's find this X. X is now equal to what? 1 gram of boric acid times 0.9 gram of sodium chloride, you cross multiply, divided by 0.52 of sodium chloride. So this will give us that X is equal to, excuse me, to avoid wasting time, let's punch the calculator. Is equal to 1 times 0.9 divided by 0.52. So this is approximately 1.73 what? Gram of what? Boric acid. So approximately 1.73 gram of boric acid is equivalent to 0.9 gram of what? Sodium chloride. What it means is that since 0.9 gram of sodium chloride in 100 ml solution is isotonic, what it means is that 1.73 gram of boric acid in 100 ml solution will also be what? Isotonic. So that means 1.73 gram of boric acid in 100 ml what? Solution will be what? Isotonic. And if you move this in percent, this means this 1.73 gram of boric acid in 100 ml is what? 1.73 what? Percent what? Weight in volume. So the percentage strength weight in volume of an acetonic solution of boric acid is what? 1.73% weight in volume. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any question, feel free to drop it on the comment section. All right, I will end the online lecture here. See you next time. Lest I forget, I organize academic competition every Saturday, 7 a.m. to 7:10 a.m. Just 10 minutes, 10 questions from different subjects. The subject for Saturday, being 18th November 2023, is civic education. Check out the flyers. Go to my Facebook page. Also check my YouTube shorts. You'll see advert on that. It's titled Civic Education Battle 1.0 with Fraternity the Schoolboy. The registration is free of charge, and there are lots of prizes to be won. God bless you. See you next time.